Not miss out on this wonderful opportunity. You will fall in love with this marvelous home in the heart of Sunrise. With its classy ceramic and wooden floors, beautiful and spacious living room, with an amazing and open kitchen, and attached to it is a very comfortable breakfast nook to enjoy with family and friends. Also with fantastic bathrooms. This home will bring joy for years to come. Think of the family barbecues in a huge patio and yard, elegant dinners and the romantic sunsets by the lake in Sunrise. Make it your home today.